Hey YouTube, Midwest Picker here. My name's Dave. I'm a part-time YouTube content creator, part-time reseller, mostly eBay, a little bit of Macari. I'm creating this video, my top 5 home runs for February, my mega scores, my big hits. The reason I'm doing this is because I have a lot of new subscribers and they may have missed my what sold on eBay videos. So I'm just going to cut to the chase and tell you exactly what sold my 5 biggest home runs for the month of February 2021. In case I didn't say it, I'm a part-time reseller, but I'm a full-time RN, full-time husband, father, kids, and I just make these videos to help new people to reselling or old people to reselling, to help you out with what sold, how to source, how to list, how to ship, all that kind of stuff. Down below in the description, I have links to my how-to videos, but today we're going to talk about my mega scores for February. According to me, they're a mega score, and I have other months with $100 sales, items that sold for big time money, but this is just February. I also like milestones too. Real quick, on Instagram, Midwest_picker. I hit 1,000 followers. Thank you very much to my Instagram family for following me. I appreciate that. When I do sell an item on eBay, I post it to Instagram within a few hours. So if you follow me over there, you can see almost instantly what sold on eBay. And then about once a week, I'll post a what sold on eBay video right here on my YouTube channel. Another milestone, I got monetized finally, so that was super exciting. My channel is just blown up, and there are so many people to thank who have given me shout outs and advice and mentoring. I can't list everybody because there's too many names, and I know I'm going to leave somebody out, and I don't want to leave anybody out. But a big thank you. You know who you are. Thanks for the shout outs, the help, the interviews, the mentoring, the advice. I mean, everything. The free gifts that you've been sending me. Big thank you to everybody. YouTube family is just amazing. There's no competition. We all help each other. It's fantastic. So last night was my first live video. Sunday night, March 7, 2021. I was monetized. It was insane. A bunch of people gave me a bunch of super chats and super stickers. You did not have to do that. But I do want to thank those who did. So I'm going to put pictures up here as I'm talking. These are the people that contributed to my channel. Again, thank you very much. You're very, very generous. You didn't have to do that. Also, thank you to anybody that bought my merchandise. That subject came up because I did trivia questions and gave away prizes. And one of the prizes was this Enoch shirt that I have right here. This is my personal shirt. And somebody, I think it was Richard Ford Pino, that said, well, since he didn't win the shirt, he'll have to go buy it from my Linktree account. He didn't have to do that either. That got me thinking I do have a coupon code for my viewers on YouTube. It's Joey2020. You put that coupon code in. I think it's 15% off or 10% off. I don't remember, but that subject came up, so people started buying stuff. I think Westside Gary bought something, and Richard Ford Pino, spelled backwards, he bought something. So big thank you to anybody that bought merch. You didn't have to do that. Big thank you for the super chats and super stickers. That was fantastic. So yeah, I go live every Sunday, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So come back here Sunday, check out the live stream. I don't always do trivia and give away prizes. Sometimes I do. Mostly reseller talk. I share what's sold, eBay news, just whatever. It's just a free-for-all. Keep it family friendly, but come on by if you haven't. Sunday, 8 p.m. So knowing what sold on eBay is fine. That's good. Knowing the home runs is better. That's great. So this is just a quick video, the 5 biggest items I sold in February. The reason I do what sold on eBay videos is because that's a big learning curve for people new to reselling, regardless of the platform. Facebook Marketplace, Macari, Poshmark, Etsy, Amazon, it doesn't matter. People want to know when they're kind of new to reselling, what do I source? What's going to sell so I can make the quick flip? You don't want to spend a lot of money on inventory that sits in your house for 2 or 3 years. You want it to move. This gives you an idea of actually what moves. So the first item, February 26th, I sold this book called Tokens of Affection. If you watch my old videos or you're an old timer to my channel, you know all about this one. I source this from my secret honey hole thrift store. They have a book sale about once a month. Every book in the thrift store is 10 cents. You can't go wrong. That's basically free. I sourced, I think, 4 or 6 of these books, 10 cents a piece. This one sold for $25.46. I did free first class shipping because there's some competition. There's a lot of these books on eBay. And, you know, if you're wondering, I think this shipped for about, I don't know, $4.25. It's a little heavy. Put it in a padded mailer. I ate the shipping, no big deal. The margins are huge on this one. So this is a home run. Next one sold February 15. These are called tobacco silks. I don't remember my cost of goods. It was around $1. I think I got these from Mr. Buys-A-Lot in a big ephemeral lot. Paid like $125 for this massive 20-pound box of ephemera. These were in there. Some kitchenware was in there. So there had to be over 125 items total in this box. So I'm going to go cost of goods is $1 for these tobacco silks. I don't remember what they were listed for, but I did take a best offer of $20. Free first class shipping. These things, I mean, literally 2 ounces. You put them in a plastic baggie. You sandwich them between 2 pieces of cardboard, 6x9 padded mailer. I mean, you're talking $2.95 to ship this out if they live close by. Super cheap. So that's home run number 2. Home run number 3 sold on February 11. This is Frost King insulated pipe tape, something like that. The reason this is a home run is my friend, Captain Jack Scrapper. I'll put his picture up here. He gave these to me for free. So cost of goods was nothing. It was free. I give him stuff. He gives me stuff. This stuff, I just sold it on eBay. Sold for $29.95 plus priority mail shipping on top. Not just a boom, a home run.
Get over his head. Way back. He looks up. You can put it on the board.
Next, on February 2, I sold 2 lots of 2 of these Villaroybach little coffee cups. So you see in the picture, there's 2. The buyer bought 2, so he got 4 total. My cost of goods on these, 50 cents a piece from a Goodwill here in West Michigan. I bought salad plates, dinner plates, ceramic coffee pot, teapot, creamers, bowls. I mean, all kinds of stuff. It's almost gone. It's about 80-90% gone. Cost of goods on here was, let's see, $2. And they sold for $39.90 on sale, plus priority mail shipping on top. Home run big time. Last home run, February 1, just squeaked in the very first day of February. This is Discovery Kids Build-A-Fort Kit, whatever, I don't know. It's the Discovery Channel on TV. They sell like these little scientific kits, like little, you know, microscopes and, you know, spy glasses and all that kind of stuff. This is to build a fort. They're like plastic octagon balls with sticks. It's kind of like Tinker Toys, but on a massive scale. And you throw like a blanket over it. Well, this kit came with a green canvas cover. Well, that was long gone. Where did I get this thing? Free. This was in my house. We were cleaning the house because we're moving into a new house. I found this, pieces and parts. The canvas was gone. The box was torn. I thought, you know what? I could put this on eBay in 2 lots, like 1 lot of 36, 1 lot of 38. I split it up. I got messages from people. This guy contacted me, sent me these offers and said, hey, if I buy both lots, will you combine shipping? Well, of course I'll combine shipping. So he sent me an offer, $30 for both of them. So a total of like 72 pieces. I said, absolutely. This was free. I was going to throw this in the garbage, but I decided to sell it anyways. I combined shipping. He paid priority mail shipping. It went off to Texas. So I turned garbage into $30. For me, that's a home run. So that's the video, guys. Pretty short. Did you like, yeah, he likes it. Really funny. A new watcher put in the comments on a previous video that for a minute he thought Joey was real. I mean, Joey thinks he's real. You know what would be really funny is one of these days is to pay one of my nephews to wear the shirt and the mask and the sunglasses and the hat and the name tag and have him sit here and pretend to be Joey for all you old timers. And then right in the middle of the video, have him turn his head and say something to me. That would really blow your mind, wouldn't it? That would be so funny. But no, he's a mannequin. But we like to treat him like he's real because he does help out. He's a good sidekick. So if you liked the video, please hit that like button. Any questions at all, put them down in the comment section. I love to answer questions. If you have any questions you want to send me personally, I have my email listed down below. You can follow me on Instagram, Midwest_picker. You can find all of this on my website. Go to midwestpicker.com and it will link you to everything I do. Hit the share button. If you know anybody that would find this video helpful, somebody you know that's new to reselling, hit the share button and send it off to them. That will help them and it'll help me grow my channel. I would appreciate that. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. That way when I upload a video or go live on Sunday, you'll get a notification. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.